Yes, class, good morning. Today topic your problem solving exercise 6.5. In this exercise, two lecture has been completed. Today your third lecture in this exercise. This exercise is very important exercise. Now today I am taking question number 5 in this exercise. Find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value of the following function in the given intervals. Now maximum value and minimum value in different function, this work is completed, and local maxima, local minima in different function is this work also completed. Today I am taking absolute maximum value, absolute minimum value. Absolute maximum, absolute minimum is not different. This is the same maximum and minimum, but here more than one maximum value and more than one minimum value. Then which value is the maximum? This is called the maximum value. Which value is the minimum in this odd value? This is called the absolute minimum value. Now start the solution here. First, taking the first x cube and x belong is closed interval -2 to +2. Function here x cube, or x is the belongs closed interval -2 to +2. So now these two in closed interval, then I will take these 2 points in the as a critical points. So now differentiate of this f dash x, what will be here? 3x square. 4 maxima and minima. F dash x equal to 0. This is the first step, differentiate. This is the second step, putting the value of f dash equal to 0. And now 3x square equal to 0, the x equal to also 0. 3 does not equal to 0. So then x equal to 0 is belongs, x is belongs, which is belongs here -2 to +2. 0 is this is the critical point. This critical point is belonging to closed interval. This is the belongs to 0 is coming in between this closed interval. It means 0 is belong this closed interval. Then your critical point 0, -2 and +2 also. Ends points of this closed interval and this point also. How many points are this? All including the critical points are closed interval and points of the closed interval. So now critical points. Critical points of the function is x equal to 0, -2 and 2. Look very carefully. 0 and -2 and +2 here. Then find the value of the all points here. Now at x equal to 0, then putting the value here in this function. f0 equal 0 cube means 0. At x equal -2, then f -2 equal -2 cube. This is equal to -8. At x equal to 2 means f2 equal to 2 cube equal to 8. How many will you find here? Those critical points and then end points of the closed interval. So then these are you are find all points here. So then you find the value here 0, -8 and +8. The absolute maxima, you will select absolute maxima in these points. The absolute maxima, this is the maximum value. This is the absolute maxima, or minimum value here. This is the absolute minima. So now, hence, absolute maxima of the function is 8 at. The absolute maxima of the function is 8. This value at is which point here? x equal to 2 and absolute minima of the function is -8 at which point x equal to -2. This is your answer. Means you will select which is the maximum value here, this is the absolute maxima, or what is the minimum value here, this is the absolute minima. At which point this is the absolute maximum value here, at x equal to 2, I am writing absolute maxima is 8 at x equal to 2. Absolute, this is the minimum value of all, this is the -8. At which point this is the -2, then I am writing -2. Then this is your answer. How to find the absolute maxima and absolute minima? This is very, very simple. Yes, note down the next part solve. Yes, student, first part is completed. Now start second part. Question is same. This second part of the question number 5th. Now start the solution here. This is a trigonometrical function here. So now fx equal sin x plus cos x, and x is belong here closed interval 0 to pi. Now look here, first differentiate this f dash x equal sin x is equal to cos x, or cos is the minus sin x. This is a direct differentiate. I am doing direct differentiated f dash x, difference of this, difference sin x is cos x, or cos x is the minus sin x. After that, we will find the 4 maximum minima. 4 maxima and minima. F dash x equal to 0. But then cos x minus sin x equal to 0. Sin x equal to cos x. Transposing this side. Then divide by cos x. First transposing this, then cos x divided by both sides. So divide by both means sin x upon cos x equal 1. Value of this tan x equal to 1. And what value of the tan? This is the tan pi by 4. 1 means first divide by this cos x, sin x cos x upon tan x, or 1. 1 value of the tan x is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value of this 1. So then value of the x equal to pi by 4, and which is belong to 0 to pi. Which is belong to 0 to pi. Pi by 4 belong to 0 to pi. That means you will take the point here, pi by 4, 0 and pi. So now find the value of the function at x equal to pi by 4, 0 and pi. Same thing, this critical point or end points of the closed interval. So now at x equal to pi by 4, then putting the function value here, f pi by 4 equal sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. This is equal to 2 upon root 2. This equal to root 2. This is the value of f pi by 4. Next part. At 0. X equal to 0. F 0 equal sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Means f 0 value is 1. Next, at x equal to pi. F pi equal sin pi plus cos pi. A value of this sin pi. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 is 0. Plus cos 90 plus theta means cos pi. Cos 90 plus theta is sin theta. The second quadrant, the minus 1. This is the value minus 1 here. This is the value pi. So now you will check this. which value here maximum here? The maximum value here root 2, 1 and minus 1. So absolute maximum value, absolute maximum value of the function is, first you check the root 2, minus 1 and here 1. The absolute maximum value is root 2. Add point here, this is the add x equal pi by 4. Next, and absolute minimum value of the function is, this is the absolute maximum value. This is the absolute maximum value at x equal to pi by 4. Now check this 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 1 and add this value this at x equal to pi. Means this is your answer. The absolute maximum value of the function is root 2 and at x equal to pi by 4, and absolute minimum value of the function is minus 1 at x equal to pi. This is your solution. Very simple method. First differentiate this, find the value of the x, then taking the critical point this value and end points of the closed interval, putting all values here and then putting all values here in this function first and find which value is maximum or which value is minimum. The maximum value is called the absolute maximum, or minimum value of in here is called the absolute minimum. Just note down the next question. Yes students, next question I am taking the question number 6, same exercise. Find the maximum profit of the company can make if the profit function is given by, this is the given the profit function. Now you will find here the maximum profit of the company. Now how to check this company getting the maximum profit or minimum profit? 2 points here, maximum profit and minimum profit. Suppose your critical points come in the maxima, then company take the maximum profit. Or suppose your critical point come in the minima, then this means company taking the minimum profit. If this is depend maximum profit or minimum profit in critical points, situation of the critical points. Now start the solution here. First taking your function fx equal 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. This is your profit function. Now in this profit function maximum profit or not, then we'll check. First same method, you will differentiate in first time f p dash x. What will be here? This is a 0 minus 72 or minus 36x. Again differentiate with respect to x. The p double dash x equal, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is already 0, so minus 0 and minus 36 means value of the p double dash x equal to minus 36. How to check this? This is the maximum critical point. How to find this? Same for maximum minimum, for maxima and minima. F dash x equal to, here not f dash, here p dash, so here write p dash. For maximum minima, you will always putting there f dash x, here not f, here write the p for profit. The profit dash p dash x equal to 0. So then means you will put this value equal to 0. P dash means this is equal to putting the 0. So minus 72 minus 36 x equal to 0. Taking 36 common, minus 36. Here taking here 2 plus x equal to 0 means x equal 36 does not equal to 0, then 2 plus x equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. This is your critical points. This is your critical points of how to check this. If this point is the maxima or minima, then you will put this value in second order derivative. You will check with the help of this point and this, if this point is the maxima or minima, with help of this second derivative test. So now P double dash minus 2 putting here, then this is the minus 36, or here not any x here, that means this is the minus 36 here. So here not any x here, it means this is the less than 0. This is the value of the less than 0. 36 here less than 0. This it means point is the maxima point. So x equal to minus 2 is maxima point. Of x equal to is maxima point, it means company taking the maximum profit. Company taking the maximum profit. So maximum profit of the company at x equal to minus 2 means f, you are putting the value here in given function, this given function f, sorry not f here, p minus 2 equal 41 minus 72 into minus 18 minus 2 square, minus 41 same, plus 144, minus plus 18 into 4, so 41 plus 144, 18 for the 72. So now add this here, so 41 plus 72 here subtracting, 2 or 1 3, 7 for 11, 113, and the maximum profit here 113. So maximum profit of the company at x equal to minus 2 in this point. So how much profit here? 113 units percentage. This is depend. What is the this is depend on the function. The function making here percentage by unit basis. So 113 unit will be profit of the company, maximum profit. So very simple thing. Any question coming this type questions, if company taking maximum profit or not, otherwise company initiation product start this company getting the maximum profit, you will solve in this way and solve and getting the answer, very easy answer. Just note down the next question. Yes students, next question I am taking a different type question here. Question number 14, find the two positive number x and y. Means two positive number you will find here such that x and y equals 60. This condition given in a sum of two positive number is 60, and if you multiply x y cube, then your product of this, then in this condition then value the maximum value. Means if two positive number you are product, then you will get the maximum value of these numbers. So this question is a different type question, how to solve in the maximum minima. Yes, now look here. First, what things given here? X and y are two positive number. Second things, x plus y equals 60. This is also given here. X plus y equals 60 degree. X plus y, and next thing is that the x y is the maximum. For what maximum here? This is not clear. What maximum here? This is not clear. The lat. I am taking lat. This is the value of the p equal to x y cube. This is the question first, and this is the question second. What maximum is? I am putting the lat p is the maximum value of this x y cube. Now using this, we are taking here given the two variable x and y. Per two variable given, but you not solve the two variable. You convert in the single variable this equation and then differentiate of this. So now look here, what value of the p here, x and y from first. So p equal what value of the x, 60 minus y and y cube, means I am taking the from first. X equals 60 minus y. I am taking the from equation first, from equation first value of the x 60 minus y and putting here what will you come here, yp equal 60 y cube minus y4. This is the converted in the single variable. So now differentiate here, differentiate with respect to y. Then p dash equal to differentiate here 180 y square minus 4y cube. Again differentiate. Again differentiate, p double dash equal to 360y minus 12y square. 4 maximum minima. This is the first time differentiate, this is second time. Then you will find the value of the y. How is possible? Then you putting the, this is equal to 0. The 4 maxima minima. 4 maxima and minima. What value of the p dash equal to 0? Value of this 0. Then 180y square minus 4y cube equal to 0. This is the using the property of maximum minima and putting your first derivative test, then you get this, and then taking common 4y square equal to 45 minus y equal to 0. I am taking 4y square common here, then what is left inside here, 45 minus y equal to 0. Now again I am taking here 4y, if 4y square equal to 0, then y equal to 0. But y, when 45 minus y equal to 0, to y equal to 45. This is the ignore. Y equal 0 does not 0 because here given ki x and y are positive integer. Here given x and y are two positive integer, then y does not is not possible. So 0 is not positive integer. So why? Because given y is positive number. So y is not 0 because y does not 0 because given y is the positive number. So only using the value of the y 45. Only using the value here y equal to 45. And now putting the value here from equation, from equation first, x equal to 60 minus 45. What is left? 15. The value of the x is equal to 45, a value of the y equal to 15, and value of this equal to 45. Two positive number. Here write the find two positive number x and y. X and y. The value of the x equal to 45 and x value of the y equal to x equal to 15 and y equal to 45. This is your answer. So two positive numbers are here. X equal to 15 or y equal to 45. So here two positive number you have already find here. So this is your answer. This is a very simple question. Many questions in this type question. Suppose can write the number, this find the maximum number, find the minimum number, conditions and different conditions, but you will solve always in this way. Two equation given, you convert in the single equation, then differentiate, again differentiate second order, then for maximum minima here, putting the value of any x, y, z, any variable number, then find the value of x and check this which value you are satisfied the given condition, then you write. Otherwise both the value satisfied, then find the value of the x in both the value of the y. But here y equal to 0 is not possible because y are given only x and y is a positive number. So positive 0 is not positive number 0. Y equal to, because given y is the positive number given, then or suppose you are putting the y equal to 0 here, but then maximum value will convert in the 0. This is not maximum value. Suppose you are putting here 0 here, this will be 0, then will not come the maximum value also. Region, two region here. First you are given, second here maximum value region. Suppose you are putting the value here at 0 here, then maximum value convert in the 0. This is not possible. So then we will not take the value of y equal to 0, only take the y equal to 45. Then find the value of x. Let's note down the next question.